Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a status message to your account on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and after that tap on this enter a status message at the top below your username. After that, click on enter a status message in the middle of the screen, tap onto the screen and then start typing in your status message. If you are done, you can also set it to or share it to your story. If you tap on this circle down below share to stories, and you can click on the save button at the top of the screen, and then it will be set so it will appear below your username. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.